how to add money to PayPal from debit card in 2024. So what I've done is I've just logged into PayPal. Here, the first thing that we need to do is we'll need to go to wallet. It might be a little bit different for you depending on which country you're accessing this from. But basically we'll select the option here to link a card. And it's going to look like this: debit or credit card number, the card type, so we'll obviously fill this out, expiration date, security code, which are the 3 digits on the back, and then we'll just have to click on link card. Now, after we have linked the card, what's going to happen is it's going to appear right here, and we want to click on it and then set it as preferred, so preferred when paying online. And the last thing that we'll need to do to actually, transfer money from the debit card to our PayPal is click on transfer money here, and you want to look for the option money in and click on instantly top up using Trustly in our case, but it could be different for you. But basically the money is going to be taken from the debit card and imported into your PayPal balance. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.